Hello Rebels! Let's get started on our Porg bags in honor of May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. Start by gathering your supplies, a tote bag, a cardboard insert, some fabric paint, and a pencil. If you aren't confident in your ability to draw a porg face from memory, just Google it. Then, trace out your face with the pencil. Once everything is sketched out, it's time to fill in with paint. When everything is filled in, follow the paint's recommendations for drying time. And last but not least, be sure to stop by your library to fill your bag with books. For more videos and content, be sure to like and follow the library on social media.